Hey guys, it's Shelby and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. You will need one bowl, 1 spoon, some white Elmer's glue. White Elmer's glue is the best. Glitter glue isn't that good and clear glue isn't that good, so I prefer white glue. And you will need some Tide. If you have Tide, I recommend you pour it in your lid so then you don't spill it everywhere. And you don't have to have foam balls, but if you want, you can add foam balls. And same with food coloring. You don't have to have food coloring. So you first will need to pour in all or some of your glue. And then next you'll need to add some of your food coloring. I think I'm going to do one drop of green and 1 drop of blue. See what color that makes. 1 drop. And 1 drop. And again, you don't have to add your food coloring, but then you need to stir your food coloring. You don't want too dark because sometimes when your when you put too much food coloring, it makes it so when you play with your slime that it stains your hands. And then if you want to add foam beads, this would be the time to add foam beads. And I'm going to add a few foam beads, not too many. And at the end you can always add foam beads again if there's not enough. And then you need to stir again. Then you need to add some of your Tide because that is your activator. Just add a little of your activator at a time. And slowly it will start to turn into slime. I want a little more foam beads, so I'm going to add a little more foam beads. Because you can add foam beads anytime during it, kind of. A little more activator, but not too much at a time. And then you just want to give it a good stir until it gets to slime. That was a lot. You're probably not going to need too much. Just a little would be fine. Not like little. And then how you'll know when your slime is ready is when you're stirring, it will start to like the glue on the sides of your bowl will start to come off as you're stirring. So this is starting to happen. So I know I'm getting close for it to being done. It's slowly getting off the sides. So I know it's almost done. I'll just need a little more activator and I should be good. But you don't know when you're making slime how much activator you'll need or not. So it's pretty much ready. I'm going to add a little more foam beads. I like foam beads. Well, okay, that got on the counter. Okay, I don't care at this point. Then just stir again. Soon you will be able to go in with your slime with your hands. Junior, can you go get me the shaving cream out of the bathroom? if your slime is really sticky like this is, all you have to do is add some shaving foam or gel or whatever, and it will turn not sticky. So he's getting me that. I'm gonna stir a little more. Because this is really sticky. It's like sticking to my hands. I like cobwebs, it's like. He's coming. Thank you. Okay. You do not want to add too much. Just a little should be okay. And it will make it look soapy-ish, kind of. Like this is starting to turn a little soapy, it looks like. But that's fine when it gets a little soapy. All you need to do is start to play with it with your hands. When you think that's okay, then when it's like good, like looks like slime, just start to use your hands with it. And just start to knead the slime. Okay guys, that was it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Bye!